I need to hire an attorney because there was negligence on their part.
Our experience with his injury was something that neither one of us had with family or anyone else, but we didn't know what to do when he couldn't lay on the bed and lay on the floor, so that's when I rushed him to the hospital. And they said a blood infection. Okay, we took him back when they told us.
To me, what they did is they really screwed up. And the killing part about it, the doctor that sent me home says, "You're okay, you'll go home." Yeah. And so I looked at it and said, well, yeah, me and her, we left the hospital, drove home. A couple of days later, I'm sitting here starving. You know, I'm, for lack of a better word.
We had to rush him to the hospital for emergency surgery. After he was released from the rehab, his paralysis, he couldn't even go back in his home because of the steps, and so he had to come to me. And it was like somebody should be responsible for, we don't know what they should have done, but we know what they didn't do, which caused this. And so we had contacted, at that point, we had contacted another lawyer. And he took information from us. He wrote up paperwork, and he kind of took a lot of the time like he was going forward with the case. He wrote us right at maybe about less than a year left, and he said, "I can't continue this case. I recommend Ryan Fowler." At this point, we were probably, I don't know if it was a year, I think it was like 9 months. Statute of limitations is running close to us, and we don't have a lawyer, and so Ryan was who he recommended, and so we contacted Ryan. And we went over all the information, Ryan reviewed it, and thank you, Jesus, they were able to take the case. But they were up against a limit of time just to get information from us and get whatever they needed to do on the legal side. And they were excellent. I mean, we wouldn't have been here. We wouldn't have got it done without them. They kept in contact with us. They had us come into the office. We did depositions. We reviewed depositions. They were able to not have to go to court with it. And they were able to negotiate a settlement. And we all were very, very thankful.
I'm just happy they both were around. And so I have nothing but accolades for them. Yeah.
They come to me, I'm all in for Ryan. Rachel kept in touch with me all the time. We talked a lot. It seemed like he was trying to make sure we coordinate so many things. But the short period of time, they were able to get it done, and we're thankful.
I don't do nothing anymore. I retired. After I retired, he saved my life, so you know, I'm cool.
They were the top of the line. We had never had an experience, but they were the top of the line, and I would highly recommend them to anyone.